We'll guide you through how to sell items in Donor SMP. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you probably know, if you've gone and played Donor SMP, there's an economy within it. So what you can do is you can go and sell items, and in return you can then go and get money, and you can then go and use that money to buy other things. So if you've got something you don't need, you can go and sell it. Now, there are different ways you can go about this. I'll show you the first, which is the main way of selling, and the second way where you can actually potentially get more money in return for the item. So what we're going to need to do here is you can decide what you want to sell, and you can actually go and hover over it and see how much it's worth. And to go and sell, what we're going to do is go and type in /sell, and then you can go and place items in here you want to sell. So I could go and place a steak. I could then hover over it and see it's worth $5. I can then just go and press escape, and you can go and see I've sold it. Now, alternatively, what I prefer to do is go and auction. Auction is where you can go and list something, and then somebody will have to go and buy it. So you won't get it immediately, but you can potentially go and get more for it. So type in /AH, and then at the bottom, you can go and press your items, which is the chest. Go to the top left and press sell an item. And you can go and list it. You can go and put it in. So this is worth $5, but let me press click to confirm. And let's go and say I went and wanted to sell it for 10 instead of 5, which I'd usually get. Then we can go and confirm the listing, and now it's going to be listed. Now you can go and wait. And as you can see like that, it was just sold for $10. So hopefully you can make more if you go and auction it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.